Welcome back to this training. I will explain at first binary and decimal conversion to understand networking. Binary here, binary means 0 and 1. This is binary. And decimal is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is decimal. This is binary. Now we will learn at first how to convert binary to decimal. Let's say this is a number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, total 8. Okay. So simply I will follow a format to understand this. Let's say I draw a table to understand column 8 and row 2. Okay, this is here 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So this 8, this is octet, and I'm going to put this value here. Okay, our value is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is our binary value. We are going to convert to decimal. Okay, binary to decimal. How to do it? You have to follow left to right. Right, left to right direction. What I am going to do here, I see 1, so I will take from this format or this 8 octet. I will take this is 8 because in the IP addressing it is 8 bits. That's why I'm using 8. Anyway, this is 1. When it is 1, we are going to take this value, and when it is 0, we will not take the value. Let's say this value is 0. All right, so this is 1. We are going to take this value. So this is 128, and then plus, right, plus, and here is 1. So we are going to take this value 64. Here is 0. We don't take this value. When is 0, we do not take this value. So it is 0. Okay, 1 is, let's say 1 is true. We take the value, and 0 is false. We do not, anyway, we do not need to go something not necessary. Just remember, the people are totally new, beginner, do not understand anything. 1, so we are going to take this value. All right, here is 0. We do not take this value. Well, let's say this value also 0. Now plus, here is 1, so we are going to take 16. All right, 16, and here 8, 0, and here is 8. So we are going to take, we do not take the value 8, we take the only 0. So here 1, we are going to take the value 4, and here is 1, we are going to take the value 2, and here is value is 1, we are going to take the value 1. So now if you add all this value, what will be the result? So we are going to add this value and see what is the total. Let's say 128 plus 64 equal to 92, plus 16 208, 212, 13, 14, 15. So this value is 215 decimal value. So it means our value is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 equal to 215. This is how to calculate binary to decimal, because we need this for networking. IP address 8 bit like this, that IP address like 8 bits and 4 byte octet, 4 octet. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is you see our 8 bits and dot. So we separate this. So IP version 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right. So this is basically how this works. IP address. So this value, if you decimal value, is going to be 0 and it is going to be each I type each 255. Okay, 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255. This is IP version 4. This is 1 2 3 4. Each part has 8 bits, either 0 or 1. This is bit and 8, or this is octet. Now our value is actually 0 to 255. This means total 256. So now you understand binary to decimal conversion. This is foundation of networking, because based on this we will understand IP, then we can do networking in Linux or computer networking like switching or routing. All right, thank you very much to watch this video.